Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these Beats Studio Pro headset here. Alright, comes that. This little like egg carton like thing here. Alright, so that's, I guess, a little protection. And then it has this little instructions there. So it's like a little cooler or something that protects it in there. Good thing, because it got a little dented there. Anyways, here is a pretty sweet little case here. It's got a little strap there you could hold stuff by. Unzips nicely. It's a pretty nice case. Okay, and then alright, well, it doesn't really open very much. That's kind of weird. That's like literally, I mean, just me or, okay. Well, that's kind of weird that that's all the further it opens up. So that's kind of interesting. Anyways, inside it has this little cord here. And this is USB-C to USB-C. And this is an audio cable. And then we have the headset here. Oh my goodness, I mean, that's a little weird. Okay, I'm just saying, I mean, why wouldn't this, I don't know, maybe I'm nitpicking here, but I would think that it would open up a little further. I feel like I'm almost gonna break these things pulling them out of there. Okay, so they bend, those go into place. So if you want to bend them, you can. These also rotate here. I don't want to break those, but when they bend in. Okay, so those are nice and stiff. Some good adjustment. You can, each little click there. Okay, so I'm going to hook them up to my phone here real quick, and I'll check out the audio. Okay, I just pushed the little button here, and the little light started flashing right away, and then this appeared on my phone. So my phone recognized it. Beats Pro will appear on devices linked. Okay, so I connect it. Download the device app on Google Play to see all available features. Sure, we download it. Install the Beats app here. And it says device is connected. Privacy, agree to the little privacy policy. Holy cow, there's a lot of stuff there to agree to. You have to scroll all the way down and then agree. Location permissions next. Allow the time. Okay, so it's got all these stuff. Beats installed. App info. Okay. Next. Okay, we're good. Open. What's going on here? All right, we're just gonna go back, I guess. All right, so we got the Beats app thing coming up. Get started. Skip. We don't want to send them info. Bluetooth permissions needed. Next, allow. Beats Studio Pro. Choose how to end a call. Press once or twice. So all this different stuff on here. Okay, so noise cancellation. It's at 55%. Tells like the battery percentage there and stuff. Noise cancellation. Change the name of your Beats. All right, so here we go. I just want to listen to some music, so let's check this thing out. So it's got a nice little head portion here. It is nice and soft, and this area here is definitely cushiony around there. I'm not sure which one goes. Okay, it says left ear right on this side, so it's pretty difficult to tell because it's almost identical. All right, well, that's actually pretty comfortable there. Let's see if we can get some tunes going here. Pull up some music, YouTube music. All right, we got a Domino's commercial coming up here. That's cool. Specialty chicken. Okay. I can't just continue playing music while I go over to the beats. Oh my goodness, that's ridiculous. Okay, I want to go to noise cancellation. Press twice on the system button to cycle between selected noise cancellation modes. Transparency. Okay, that's a little disheartening. Anyways, let's see. I mean, separate. I mean, pretty good sound quality, actually. I mean, the noise cancellation too. Okay, so this button pauses their thing. All right, well, so the noise canceling is actually really good. The sound quality is pretty amazing. This thing fits right on your head. I mean, it's got a decent price tag, but the sound quality is probably the best I've ever heard with, I have some Samsung Galaxy earbuds as well, but this is actually really, really nice. It has a decent, I mean, it's not cheap, but it seems like sometimes you get what you pay for, and these are really nice and sleek. Very comfortable also. It hugs your head nicely. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall off anyway. They weigh about a pound or so, so they're not light. It seems like a nice, strong. And I have this on the lowest setting, and it fits my head just fine. But if you have a larger head, this is going to. There's a lot of room there, guys. So, all in all, you know, they're a little spendy, but I think they're actually worth it. Very good quality sound coming out of there. Very comfortable. Excellent sound noise canceling there as well. So my friends, thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.